Hi guys, this is Polestar Readings. Join me and let's find out divine messages about your life and what's going on in your relationships or in your careers. I already shuffled the cards. We're going to get through each of the signs, dividing you into groups based on your elements. First is the reading for the air signs, next for the earth signs, then we're going to go to fire signs, and last will be the reading for water signs. You will find timestamps in the comment below. I also invite you to try a private reading with me. All you have to do is email. I'm going to include my details below, and hopefully, you will also connect with me on social media in my TikTok, IG, and Facebook. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead to your reading. Here we go. Hello guys, this is for Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Tingnan natin ano po yung messages na para sa inyo. You have the Five of Cups, the King of Wands, Six of Wands, you have the Ace of Cups. Alam mo sa first two cards, uh, your person is, let's say, suffering from anxiety, let's say mental health, kasi yung boss niya is, alam mo yung nakaka-pressure. Nape-pressure siya sa boss niya. There is a masculine figure na nape-pressure tong taong na 'to. It could be na yung person mo is wala tayong pinag-uusapan na gender ha. It could be, yung person mo is a female or male, yan. Now, the there is regret here and anxiety. Now, it's causing this person to have this frustration or depression inside kahit hindi mo nakikita, hindi mo nalalaman or hindi niya sinasabi. This person could have kept yung problems sa loob niya because this person doesn't want to tell you for you not to feel the pain or not to worry, but it has gotten to a point where this person's no longer able to, let's say, message you, communicate to you, reach out to you because he or she is, alam mo, submerged on what he is feeling, which is not good. Ayan. So that does mean that this your person has a problem, and whether whether nasasabi ito or wala, pansinin mo lang sa mga kilos niya if this person is sad or may napapansin ka pa nakakaiba. The Five of Cups, the King of Wands, you have the Six of Cups, the Ace of Cups. Yung person mo wanted to have this, alam mo yung stability. It could be sa family, kung married na kayo, or kung single pa. Your person wants stability. Ayan. A strong relationship and at the same time, uh, merong pera. Pera, he or she wanted to feel secure sa sarili niya. Now, the Six of Wands, yeah, the Ace of Cups, you actually would want to motivate this person because because you love him or you love her. Now, Six of Wands, you have the Ace of Cups, the Strength card, Knight of Swords. Minsan lang siguro, there could be mga misunderstanding. You could see the shift in mood. Sometimes this person is gullible or sometimes this person is happy. Pero sometimes nakukulitan, sometimes this person is stubborn. A strength card, you have the Knight of Swords. You know, yung pasensya mo, sometimes wala eh. Kasi, alam mo, naiinis ka na rin. I mean, it's understandable because you have seen like changes or already feel that this person is losing his love to you or attention or is not is not sweet to you anymore bagkus nagagalit pa. Now, hindi po ikaw yung reason nun. Sa trabaho po niya or other people, could be friend na masculine figure, could be friend na, alam mo, it's another person na pressure. Hindi naman wala po tayong pinag-uusapang third party kasi I don't see any third party here. just between the two of you. Now, Knight of Swords, Page of Cups, you have the Three of Wands. Although, alam naman natin that your person is lovable or attractive. So, marami pong nagkakagusot dyan. Meron pong isa na habol ng habol. Now, the Page of Cups, the Three of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups. Yung person mo is really trying to get opportunities here in terms of pera. Kaya nagtatrabaho yan or naghahabol po na mag-apply or nakikipag-negotiate sa mga kakilala niya, sa mga friends niya, kung saan po makakahanap ng opportunity or kung meron po siyang existing na trabaho. This person is really trying to establish relationships sa colleagues niya kasi kailangan po niya, he feels he wants to be stable. So yun, makakatulong kasi yung mga friends now or kakilala. Na Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Cups. The Four of Cups, the Lover's card. Wala naman pong separation dito. Although you feel na nawawalan siya ng time sa'yo, but it's really not. This person's really just afraid and is not confident kung anong magiging future ninyo. Sa'yo, could be alalayan mo na lang. Now, the Lover's card, the Four of Cups, the Ten of Cups. I see feelings here. This person loves you. Now, this applies to those who are in a relationship, like an established relationship. Um, Ten of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles, the Three of Wands, you have the Page of Cups and Knight of Swords. It may seem um, like you're wary because baka yung mga kausap niya is um, yung yung those na may gusto sa kanya. Actually, gusto lang po niya na magkaroon ng opportunities. So, kung may gusto po yung colleague niya, colleague naman po yung tingin niya. Kasi baka yung colleague niya nagkakagusto sa kanya and then you don't like the situation. Well, wala po sa kanya yung mga advances po ng kasamahan nila, friend nila. Gano'n. Kasi trabaho po, opportunities, friendship lang naman yung tingin niya. Now, the Knight of Swords, the Strength card, the Ace of Cups. Siguro may mga misunderstanding po kayo. Kasi I see here, nagagalit siya. Six of Wands, the King of Wands, the Five of Cups. I think you have to understand yung person na to and tanungin mo na lang or observe mo na lang kasi baka nai-insecure or natatakot lang talaga sa kung anong magiging future. Okay, so other aspects ng life mo, wala naman po ako nakikita as is po siya. Yan. Opportunities. May mga ventures ka, could be sa business or could be sa trabaho na you also wanted to succeed dito. Pero kinakaya mo pa lang ito. Wala naman na super duper na merong pera na darating na malaki. Yung the usual na dumarating, yun lang din po. Page of Cups, Three of Wands. Kung may inaasam ka na appraisal, ah, yung mga upgrade or increase sa salary mo, wala pa. May pinag-uusapan pero wala pa. Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, the Four of Cups. I think as is naman na meron kang trabaho. Could be opportunities whether it's freelance or regular job. Yan, so hindi naman problema sa side mo ng finances. Sa side lang talaga ng partner. Okay? So yun lang po ang nakikita ko. I'll see you in your next reading. So ito is short lang na pag-check ng life ninyo. If you want to have a private reading, just inbox me or email me. Or visit my other social media pages like my TikTok and Facebook. Alright, so ingat po kayo. Hello po. Punta po tayo sa kay Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ano po ang meron na messages na para sa inyo? The first card is the Eight of Pentacles, and then you have the Hierophant, the Ace of Swords, you have the Three of Swords. Alam mo, there could be a special person, someone is special sa'yo. But this could be an ex, or this could be Yung taong kahit hindi naging ex pero may mutual understanding MU, or there could be a connection in the past, and with this person. Now this person right now is thinking of you. Alam mo merong trabaho. This person is busy pero naiisip ka pa rin po niya sa ngayon. Um, Eight of Pentacles, the Hierophant, you have the Ace of Swords. Siguro nung sa inyo pa dati, merong mga challenges, hindi nagkakaintindihan, or hindi nasabi ng person na to yung ano kung anong nararamdaman niya for you, yung totoong nararamdaman niya for you. Maybe at that time, um, he he has no option, or um, he has no option, or he has no choice in loving. Kumbaga, it was not a good time for him to have a connection with you or to love you. Right now, this person is missing you. Nami-miss ka niya. Eight of Pentacles, the Hierophant, you have the Ace of Swords. Natatakot tong person na to na kausapin ka kasi baka lumabas yung mga yung galit mo, mga hurts mo, and mahirap din i-explain sa side niya na balikan po yung past kung ano po yung um, mali doon sa ginawa niya, or ano po yung kulang sa sitwasyon na yun. Right now, this person is tongue-tied, hindi siya makapagsalita. He wanted to, but there could be a bigger reason why hindi siya nag-respond sa'yo, nag-reach out sa'yo, hindi siya nakipag-communicate sa'yo. With the Hierophant, the Ace of Swords. Right now, I see distance here. I see parang nag-long distance. Parang LDR siya na malayo po yung person na to. I think this person lives in a different city, a different state, or a different country. The Eight of Pentacles, the Hierophant, the Ace of Swords, the Three of Swords. There could be heartbreak there. Now, sa'yo, baka na heartbroken ka sa person na to. Um, Now, the Lover's card. The Sun card, the Four of Wands, the Queen of Cups. I see this person wants a reconnection, reconciliation. With the Lover's card, the Sun card. There could be a child involved here, but not necessary, depending on your situation. This could apply to single, for those of you who are in a relationship but with children, or those who are married. Now, the Lover's card, the Sun card, it does mean that there is separation at the present time. You're not connecting, you're not talking with each other. The Lover's card, the Sun card, the Four of Wands, the Queen of Cups, the High Priestess, the Knight of Cups. Um, Tingnan mo lang yung situation niya, kasi he might be involved, or she might be involved with another person as of the moment, but is thinking of you and missing you, missing the times that you were together. The Queen of Cups, the High Priestess, the Knight of Cups. Alam mo, intuitively, spiritually, this person is trying to give you a message with the Knight of Cups, the High Priestess. But it seems like in actual in actual circumstances, hindi lang siya makalapit sa'yo. Ikaw parang wala kang feeling sa person na to as of the present time, or you have already learned to let go of this person, whether spiritually, or alam mo yung you're not expecting na mag-reach out ng person na to sa'yo. Now, the Knight of Cups, the High Priestess, the Queen of Cups, the Four of Wands. The Four of Wands, siguro nanghihinayang ka dati kasi you have fully expected that this person will commit, but hindi niya ginawa. Nanghihinayang ka and disappointed ka. Andito pa rin naman yung disappointment mo. I mean, the disappointment never faded or never goes away. It's still there with you. That's why I can see that you have chose to let go, or to continue with your life. Now, I don't know if you will um, communicate to this person once he will reach out to you. I don't know if you're still interested. Now, check within yourself if you still have those feelings. Yeah, um this person is hoping. So we will wait if this person will reach out because he's actually planning to. All right. So in terms of opportunities, I don't see any opportunities when it comes to career. So most probably, what goes in your career now, that's still most likely what's going to happen. So what you have actually experienced last month or this month, that's still, it's still the same or similar with what you have been experiencing over the past month. So I don't see any new opportunities here. Okay. So thank you, and I'll see you next time in your next reading. Bye. Hi po, this is Polestar. Itong reading na to is para kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Now, anong meron for this month? You have the High Priestess, the Empress, the Page of Swords, you have the Emperor. Alam mo, this is this is the cards or the universe asserting your power, your energy, um, giving you or suggesting you to have the motivation, the inspiration na nanggagaling sa self mo. Hindi necessary na nanggagaling po sa ibang tao. Let's say sa loved ones mo, someone special. Kasi yung inner gusto, motivation, yung happiness, pwede po kasi talagang manggagaling sa self mo. Now, that is important for you to feel empowered, for you na maging successful, for you para makapagplano po kung anong nararapat po sa sarili mo. Now, this is for those of you who are single, and for those of you, pwede din na those of you na who has a partner or has a relationship. Kasi kailangan po na hindi maging dependent po sa ibang tao. Now, the High Priestess, the Empress, the Page of Swords, the Emperor, another soul or another person could be a friend or could be your partner or could be a loved one, a family member, nagsasabi na hindi naman mali naman yung point mo, mali po yung suggestion mo, mali po yung idea mo. If there's anything that you're suggesting, or if there's anything na pinaplano mo, especially para sa self mo na maging successful, in terms of money could be or sa path mo. Now, Page of Swords, you have the Emperor. It seems like wala pong, no one believes you. Let's say this November or sa ngayon, with the Page of Swords, the Emperor. But this one, you have the Empress energy. So you own your experience. You own yung be confident and ano mo, akuin mo yung responsibility. Yan. Acknowledgement also is one key. Now, the High Priest is a Page of Swords, the Empress, the Emperor. You have the Six of Wands, you have the Six of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands, Six of Swords. In terms of loved ones, kung for those of you na nasa long distance relationship, hindi po kaagad yan mapag-reach out yung person mo kasi busy. Ayan. Six of Pentacles, Six of Wands, meron po yung pinag-iisipan, babalansehin po niya yung sa life niya, trabaho niya versus you. Now, merong mga problema there yung person mo kapag long distance po kayo. Terms sa trabaho and then sa relationship na rin. Six of Swords, you have the Seven Wands. Feels like you're skeptical, curious, or hindi nagtatatrust sa partner mo, which is kailangan po. Now, anything na opportunity na coming, High Priestess, you have the Empress, Page of Swords, the Emperor. For those of you na students, actually malaki po yung mga opportunities ninyo or malaki po yung chance na mag-excel po kayo or makakapasa. Now, dito sa the Page of Swords, the Emperor, iwasan lang po or do your best kapag yung instructor niyo po is feminine or female. Now, Six of Wands, you have the Six of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Six of Swords, you have the Seven of Wands. Hindi po maganda yung sa relationship, you're not happy because madami kang iniisip. Now, it is important to trust that person. Okay? Kapag mahal mo, mag-trust ka. So, yun lang po and maraming salamat. Ingat po kayo. Hello po, this is for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Ano po yung meron na mga messages na makikita natin dito? Tingnan po natin. Now, you have the Death card. Death card, you have the Eight of Swords, the Six of Swords, you have the Wheel of Fortune sa first row ng cards. Ayan. Dito sa first row, ugaliin lang i-check talaga kung ano mga gagawin mo sa pang-araw-araw. Kasi minsan sa dami-daming iniisip mo, nakakalimutan mo. Especially those na kailangan ng partner mo, could be yung partner mo, ng mga anak mo. Kasi na-observe ng partner mo, there could be things na, favors that he or she would want you to do. Kaso nakakalimutan mo because you're too absorbed with your trabaho or yung sa sa trabaho mo or sa let's say sa bahay ang daming trabaho. So dito, um, kailangan na i-check mo din yung mga anak mo, family members mo, kasi hindi puwede na subsob lang sa yung oras mo sa sarili mo. Now, the Death card, the Eight of Swords, the Six of Swords, you have the Wheel of Fortune. You could be in a long distance situation with your person, so it is important really na kung ano po yung message na instruction nila gagawin mo. There could be for those of you who are single and for those of you who are looking for opportunities, there could be, examinations or let's say paper documents na inaasikaso niyo. Tingnan mo lang kasi baka may mga kulang there. The death card, especially for those na mag-a-abroad. Now, the death card, the Eight of Swords, the Six of Swords, you have the Wheel of Fortune. In terms of relationship, for those of you who are single, there is a person na that's coming towards you that really, really loves you. It could be nakakilala mo na siya. Yan, na it just happened na nasa malayo po yung person na to or it could be na-meet mo na siya before, dati pa, pero hindi po naging maganda or nagkatuluyan dati. Now, the Death card, the Eight of Swords, the Six of Swords, you have the Wheel of Fortune, the Ace of Cups. Alam mo sa ngayon, for those of you who are single mom or could be single talaga na, in the past, hindi nag-work yung isang relationship. Could be marriage or could be yung sa relationship. For those of you who are single. Could be merong iba na ibang partners na babalik. Na Six of Swords, sa Wheel of Fortune, the Ace of Cups, sa Justice. Na, of course, you're willing to take them. Pero i-check mo din kung may nagbago ba sa kanila. Because there could be sa kay haba-haba ng panahon baka nagbago na pala yung ugali nila, yung goals nila. Check mo kung naka-align pa sa'yo, kung sync pa rin po ba kayo ng goals. Kasi baka 'pag tinanggap mo kasi mabait ka, malaman mo later na, "Uy, wala pala 'tong plano sa buhay." Ayan. Now, the Ace of Cups, the Justice, the Ten of Wands, the Empress, could be yung feelings is bumabalik. But check lang kung compatible pa rin. Now, the Empress, the Hierophant, the King of Wands, for those of you na who are looking for opportunities, whether sa career, I see sa career, but could be this is pera na rin. Could be sa business or kung may paparating na pera, meron naman po. Meron, I see it. Especially for those of you who are looking for new jobs here. Could be out abroad or could be within sa local. Advantage po sa abroad. Now, this month, next month, it could be first quarter next year, second quarter. Now, the Empress, the Hierophant, the King of Wands, the Eight of Cups, you have the Hermit. Um, check mo lang for those of you na merong relationship sa ngayon, could be may mga pag-aaway dito because your person could feel frustrated sa'yo kasi he feels na you're not listening. The Hermit, the Eight of Cups, the King of Wands, the Hierophant. Um, careful lang yung mga pag-aaway ha. For those of you who have partners now. Kasi baka may mag-aaway or baka may mag-break up. Now, the Ace of Cups, the Justice, the Ten of Wands, you have the Empress, the Hierophant, the King of Wands. I can understand na focus ka sa sarili mo kasi meron kang success na inaasam. Yan. But wag mong kalimutan yung family mo because they also need attention, especially for those of you who are single din na yung person mo needs attention. Yan. So wala tayong pinag-uusapan na gender dito. Could be lalaki, could be babae po yung partner mo. The Hermit, the Eight of Cups, the King of Wands, the Hierophant. For sure, love ka naman ng partner mo. Sometimes lang nagiging frustrated. Now, the Empress, the Ten of Wands, the Justice, the Ace of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune. I could see for some marriage and for those of you who are single na rin na money and opportunities maganda po sa remaining months ng taon na 'to. So hopefully maging masaya din po yung Christmas ninyo. Kasi eto basta may understanding lang sa inyong dalawa, things will go well. Alright? So ito lang po for you guys. I'll see you in your next reading very, very soon. And if you want a private reading, just message me, email me, or find me sa ibang social media ko. Nasa TikTok, Facebook. And I'll have a lot of services, private readings or private sessions, including aura cleansing. Na ingat po kayo and bye-bye po.